Hi guys, and welcome back into this new short tutorial. I'm going to show you how to fix this Snapchat problem. First thing, open the settings. When you open the settings, all what you want to do here is just go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now all what you want to do is click on Snapchat and then click on force stop, and after that click on storage, click on clear cache. Don't worry, you won't lose any data. After that, go back to the settings on your phone again, click on wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 1 minute, and after that disable it. And then open the Play Store, and if you have iPhone, you can open the App Store and then search for Snapchat and update. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.